Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are today discussing the nervous system. The nervous system is a physically connected network of cells, tissues, and organs that allow us to communicate with and react to the environment and perform life activities. So it's very clear that the nervous system is a network like a landline telephone system having a all over the body the network which connects to the tissues, cells and organs, and the brain is controlling almost all the activities of the bodies and act to perform all the activities of the human body and as well as animal body. As a fetus in the womb, neurons develops at the rate of 250,000 per minute cells of a neuron. We have about 100 billion of cells in our brain by adulthood, over 600 miles worth. Yet we typically use around 4% at any given time, whereas the neurons are our largest cells. Messages transmit at speeds up to 180 miles per hour. The human central nervous system contains 100 billion neurons, 50 to 100 times this number glial cells, about 40% human genes participating in its formation. Specialized function of muscle and contraction, specialized functions of neurons, integration and transmission of a nerve impulse, along with endocrine nervous system forms the major control system for body functions. There are 4 primary functions of a nervous system. One is the sensing the world, vision, hearing, smell, taste and touch. The other primary function of the nervous system is transmitting information, processing information, and producing a response according to the environmental need. So the nervous system is divided into 2 systems. One is the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. So the central nervous system depends on the brain and spinal cord, whereas the peripheral nervous system having 2 systems again. One is autonomic nervous system and other is the somatic nervous system. So the autonomic nervous system again subdivided into a sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. So the nervous system has 2 main divisions. One is the central nervous system, which has a brain and a spinal cord. Peripheral nervous systems is a system that is all other nerves present in all over the body. They are consisting the peripheral nervous system. These peripheral nervous systems receive. The central nervous system receives, interprets, and sends signals to the peripheral nervous system. Has 2 main parts. One is the brain, main control center, and other is the spinal cord. which connects or relays nerve impulses to the brain. Peripheral nervous system is it connects the central nervous system to all organs of the body systems and made up of a sensory neurons which detect the stimuli, motor neurons which carry the signals to stimulate the response, and two major subsystems. One is the somatic, voluntarily movement, balance movement, and autonomic nervous system, which is involuntarily movement like a digestion or a fight and flight response of the nervous system. There are the parts of the nervous system. That's the central nervous system as a brain, and again the brain having different parts like a cerebrum, cerebellum, brain stem, and pons and lobes. Whereas the spinal cord is receiving information like a superhighway. So the peripheral nervous system again having an autonomic nervous system, which is again subdivided into a sympathetic nervous system who has to perform fight and flight response, whereas the parasympathetic nervous system is performing a relaxation. The somatic nervous system is a sensory and a motor nerves and a reflex arch. So this is dependent on the sensory and motor nerves and as well as a reflex arch. So the parasympathetic nervous system controls if this works or vice versa, the sympathetic nervous system dilates the pupils, whereas the parasympathetic nervous system contracts the pupils. Whereas likewise the inhalation flows of a in the sympathetic nervous system, the saliva is inhibited by the sympathetic nervous system, whereas the parasympathetic nervous system stimulates the saliva. Whereas the parasympathetic system slows down the heartbeat and the sympathetic nervous system has to accelerate the heartbeat. So likewise, on the lungs, the parasympathetic nervous system has to contract the bronchi, whereas the sympathetic nervous system has to dilate the bronchi. So likewise, the contraction in the bladder is taking place by a parasympathetic nervous system, and the sympathetic nervous system inhibits the contraction of the bladder. So as the brain is concerned, it is divided into a frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and temporal lobe. And it has a cerebellum as well as a cerebrum and the pons and the stem, brain stem. So cerebellum having the cerebellum having a large front part of the brain and voluntary activity that is controlling the memory, language, receive and report, and controls the motor function. Cerebrum has a large front part, and the cortex, the top layer of the brain, stores experience and the learning, whereas the parietal sensory nervous system has concerning the tone and the frontal behavior and emotions, whereas the occipital is concerned with the vision, whereas the temporal has to function like memory and the vision and the speech, whereas the brain stem and the pons, the brain stem has to work for swallowing, coughing, sneezing, and vomiting, includes the medulla oblongata, which has the damage in this area will usually kill you. So the breathing is being controlled by the bones, and heart rate and internal organ is controlled by the bones. Whereas the limbic system has to control the damage to these areas can lead to amnesia and emotional disturbances. Whereas the neuron is the functional unit of the nervous system, and it controls, sends the electrochemical messages around the body. Glial cells provide the support and protection for a neuron. So the parts of a neuron or a nerve cell is the dendrites, nucleus, cell body, axon, myelin sheath which covers the axon, a node of Ranvier, Schwann cells, and axon terminals. The neuron is a structural and functional unit of the nervous system, and similar to other cell functions like having a nucleus and other organelles. So the different forms, different from other cells like neurons, has branches or processes which is known as the dendrites and axons. They are not present in the somatic or spermatic cell. Whereas having a nasal granules and a neurofibrils, no centrosome is present in the neurons, low power of vision, and contains the secret neurotransmitter. The classification of a neuron depending upon the number of poles, depending upon the function, depending upon the length of axon. So depending on the number of the poles, the neurons can be classified into a unipolar, having only a one pole. From a single pole, both axons and dendrites arise, present in the embryonic stage in a human being. Bipolar, having a two poles, axon arises from a one pole and the dendrites from other pole. Whereas the multipolar neurons, the nucleus having a multipoles, the axon arises from a one pole and all other poles give rise their dendrites. So this is the pictures of a the bipolar neuron, unipolar neuron, and multipolar neuron. The in the bipolar neuron, there is a dendrites from a one pole and the axon is on the other pole, whereas in the unipolar, the from a one pole, both the dendrites and the axon is being originated, and whereas in the multipolars, the dendrites having multiple junctions, whereas the axon is on the other pole. So if we may have classified according to the functions of the neurons, then there are two functions of the neurons according to the functional activity of the neurons. Motor and the efferent neurons carry the impulses from a central nervous system to peripheral efferent organs. For example, the muscles, glands, and blood vessels receives the messages from the motor neurons, and generally each motor neuron has a long axon and a short dendrites. So the sensory and afferent neurons carry the impulses from the periphery to the central nervous system. The messages are being transmitted from the organs to the central nervous system, and generally each neuron has a short axon and long dendrites. If we may have to classify the neurons according to the length of the axon, then there is two types of the neurons. One is the Golgi type 1 neurons having a long axons, and the cell body is situated in the central nervous system, and their axon reaches remote peripheral organs, whereas the Golgi type 2 neurons having a short axons present in the cerebral cortex and spinal cord. The structure of the neuron, again, the neuron structural and the functional unit of the nervous system consists of a nerve cell body with all its processes like axon and dendrites. All neurons contains one and only a one axon, but the dendrites may be absent or one or many may be present on one neuron. Axon carries the impulses from the soma towards a centrifugal direction away from a soma, away from a body. So the dendrites brings the impulses from the distance centripetally towards the soma. Towards the body, the dendrites brings the impulses or messages towards the body of the neuron. So the neuron, the nerve cell means a neuron, whereas the nerve cell body means soma. So if you see the structure of the neuron that has a dendrites, then they have a body and the axon, and as well as the multipolar. This is a multipolar neuron. We're having the neuron from the body and having different branches, whereas on the other pole there is the axon, and there is a myelin sheath which is covering the axon, and as well as the dendrites are present. So the dendrites receive the chemical signals from a neighboring cells, where the cell body contains the nucleus and the organelles. Axon, long extension that carries the electrical messages away from the body to the terminal axons. So the terminal axon passes the signal to the next cell, and the myelin sheath protecting or covering for axon. The types of the neurons, there are three types of a neuron. Sensory neuron, which detect the stimuli. The interneurons that release the sensory signals to the brain, then return the messages back to a motor neuron. The motor neuron that passes the message from a brain to a rest of body for muscle response. So these are three types of neurons in the body. One is the sensory neuron, interneurons, and motor neurons. This coordinates the pathway is known as the reflex arch. So you can see that one, the motor neuron, this is the cell body, axon, and the myelin sheath is covering the motor neuron, whereas the sensory neuron having the receptor cells and then the cell body, axon, and the dendrites. Whereas the interneurons having a multipolar shape, and the sensory neuron has a unipolar shape, and the motor neuron is also a multipolar shape. So the multipolar interneuron having a dendrites on one end, one pole, and the axon on the other pole. The cell body having the axon, and the myelin sheath is in motor neuron as well as sensory neuron. So the neuron can be divided into cell body, means nerve cell body, dendrites, axon, and nerve terminals. So the nerve cell body, like the soma, pericardium, various size of the forms of a satellite, round, pyramidal. It maintains the functional and anatomical integrity of the axon cut part distal to a cut degenerates. So cytoplasm contains a nucleus, nissel bodies, nissel granules, neurofibrili, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, and nissel granules are neurofibrili found only in a nerve cell, not in other cells. The soma are present in the gray matter of a central nervous system, and the nuclei of a brain, that's a cranial nerve or a nuclei, the basal ganglia, the ganglia of a central nervous system, all neurons contain soma. All processes do not survive without soma. So the nucleus is each neuron has a centrally placed one nucleus in a soma. Prominent nuclei which contains ribosomes or a nucleic acid. No centrosome or a lost power of a division. So the nissel granules are bodies named after a discovery of a French nissel in 19th century, also called a trigroid substance or spotted appearance when properly stained. Small basophilic granules are membrane found cavities found in a clusters or clumps in soma, present in a cell body and dendrites but absent in axon and axon hillock. So the composed of a ribonucleoprotein, which is known as a ribosome, ribonucleic acid plus protein, synthesize the protein of a neurons which transported to axon by axonal flow. So when demand of a protein synthesis, great nissel granules overwork and may altogether disappear or chromatolysis. So each fatigue or anoxic or injured, so reappears following a recovery of a neuron from a fatigue after a regeneration. So the neurofibrili, the microtubules, microfilaments, thread-like structures present all over a cell consist of a microtubules and mitochondria present in a soma and axon forms the powerhouse of the nerve cells where the ATPs are produced. So the Golgi apparatus, same of a Golgi apparatus like other cells, concerned with the processing and packing of a protein into a granules. The dendrites, tapering and the branching extension of a soma and dendrites of a cerebral cortex or a cerebellar cortex shows nobi projections called a dendritic spine may be present. If present, maybe one or a many in number conduct the impulses towards the cell body. Generates local potential, not action potential, as well as integrate activity, has in the nissel granules and neurofibrils. So dendrites in the soma constitute the input zone. Each axon has only one axon, arises from the axon hillock of a soma and carries the impulses away from the cell body. So cannot synthesize own protein depends upon a soma, so branched only at its terminal end called a synaptic knob, terminal button or axon dendria. Axon may be medullary or non-medullary. Synaptic knobs, terminal buttons are axon polydendra. Axon divides into terminal branches and each ending in a number of synaptic knobs. So they contain the granules and vesicles which contain the synaptic transmitters, specialized to convert the electrical signals to chemical signals. Has a long central core. The axis cylinder has a long central core of a cytoplasm, exoplasm. Exoplasm covered by a membrane. Exolemia, continuation of a cell membrane of a soma. Exoplasm along with the exolemma, cylinder contains a mitochondria, neurofibrils, and the exoplasm vesicles. So the axis cylinder covered by a neurolema in non-myelinated nerve fibers. So nerve fibers insulated by a myelin sheath, myelinated nerve fibers. The myelin sheath is concentric layers of a protein alternating with a lipid and nerve fiber insulated by a myelin sheath, myelinated nerve fiber, protein lipid complex wrapped around the axon and 100 times the outside of the central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, myelin produced by a Schwann cells. Inside the nervous system, central nervous system, myelin sheath is produced by the oligodendrocytes. So this is the Schwann cells which is producing the myelin sheath, whereas it is produced in the central nervous system. The myelin sheath is compacted with the extracellular membrane protein, locked the extracellular protein of the extracellular membrane protein opposing the membrane, not continuous sheath absent at regular intervals. Where the sheath absent, node of a Renwier, that's 1 micrometers in length, whereas the segment between the two nodes, intramode 1 millimeter in length. Mostly the myelinogenesis takes place by the formation of myelin sheath around the axon. Peripheral nerves start 4th month of the fetus and completed a few years after birth. So the pyramidal tract remains unmyelinated at birth and completed around end of a 2nd year of life. So the outside is central nervous system, myelin sheath formed by a Schwann cells. So before the myelinogenesis, the Schwann cells double layer close to as axolema as in non-myelinated nerve fiber. So membrane of a Schwann cells wraps up and rotate around the axon many concentric layers but not cytoplasm. These concentric layers compacted produce a myelin sheath. Cytoplasm of cell not deposited in the myelin sheath. Nucleus of a cell remain in between the myelin sheath and a neurolema. So myelinogenesis in the central nervous system occurs by the oligodendrocytes. So you can see that the non-myelinated nerve fibers, the non-myelin sheath formation, nerve fibers simply covered by a Schwann cells, no wrapping. So no intramode or no node of a Renwier, neurolema and the axis cylinder close to each other, and in central nervous system no neurolema, and myelinogenesis in the central nervous system by the oligodendrocytes, not by a Schwann cells. So you can see that this is the static structure of a non-myelinated nerve fiber. Whereas the importance of a myelin and a myelin sheath, the propagation of the very fast cell trinity conduction possible only in a myelinated nerve fiber. The myelination results in a quicker mobility in a higher animals having have a high insulating capacity to permit the cross stimulation. The neurolema is a sheath of a Schwann, and this membrane which surrounds the cylinders contains a Schwann cells which have a flattened and elongated nuclei. One nucleus is present in each intramode of a axon. Nucleus situated between the myelin sheath and the neurolema. No myelinated nerve fiber or neurolema surrounds the axolema continuously. So at the node of a Renwier, neurolema invaginates up to a axolema. The functions of a neurolema is that the non-myelinated nerve fiber serves as a covering membrane. In a myelinated nerve fiber necessary for myelogenesis, where the neurolema absent in the central nervous system, and oligodendrogliocytes are responsible for myelogenesis. The functional division of a neuron that divided into 4 zones: receptors are a dendritic zone, multiple local potential generated by a synaptic connection are integrated, origin of a conducted impulse that the propagated action potential generated initial of a segment of a spinal motor neuron and initial node of a Renwier in a sensory neuron. So this is the conductive zone. The axonal process transmits the propagated impulse to the nerve endings, and all are non-transmission. So secretory zone, the nerve ending where the cause is release of a neurotransmitter. Where the axon transport, the transport substance from a soma to a synaptic endings, and the fast axonal transport, the membrane bound organelles and mitochondria 400 millimeter per day. The slow axonal transport substance is dissolved in the cytoplasm protein and 1 millimeter per day. So they requires ATPs and calcium, and microtubules for a guide occurs in both directions. Rograde and retrograde. So this anterograde transport is a synaptic vesicle protein, whereas the retrograde transport is a neurotrophin or viruses. So Nissl bodies are composed of. So these are the questions which will be given to you in the exam. So you have to look all these in your PPT. Neurotrophins are neurotrophic factors. Protein substance play the important role in growth and functioning of a nervous tissue, secreted by many tissues in body, for example, muscles, neurons, or erythrocytes. So the functions of neutrophins is to facilitate the initial growth and development of nerve cells in the central nervous system and as well as peripheral nervous system. So they promote the survival and repair of the nerve cells and maintenance of a nerve tissues and neural transmission. So recently the neurotrophins capable of making a damaged neuron regrow, so used as a reversing the devastating symptoms of nervous disorders like Parkinson's disease or Alzheimer's disease. So the commercial preparation for the treatment of some neural diseases, the neurotrophins are being produced for the treatment of the neural diseases. So first protein identified as a neurotrophin nerve growth factor. So the now many number of neurotrophins are identified like nerve growth factors that promotes the early growth and development in neurons, major action on a sympathetic and a sensory neurons, especially neurons concerned with pain, aka sympathetic nerve growth factors, major actions on a sympathetic neurons. Commercial preparations of nerve growth factors extracted from the snake venoms and submaxillary glands of a male mouse used in a sympathetic neurons disease as well as many neuron disorders like Alzheimer's disease or neuron degeneration in aging. Other neurotrophins like brain-derived neurotrophic growth factors first discovered in a pig brain, now found in a human brain and sperm. So the promotes the survival of a sensory and a motor neurons and enhances the growth and of a cholinergic, dopaminergic neurons and the optic neuron. So also regulates the synaptic transmission and commercial preparation used to treat the motor neuron diseases. Clinically, neurotrophic factor found in the neurological cells are astrocytes and Schwann cells. Potent protective action on dopaminergic neurons used for a treatment of Parkinson's disease, whereas the fibroblast growth factor promoting the fibroblastic growth. Glial cell line derived from neurotrophic factors that maintains the mild brain dopaminergic neurons like the leukemia inhibitor factors enhances the growth of the neurons. Insulin-like factor, the transforming the growth factor, fibroblast growth factor, platelets-derived growth factors. So these are the factors which are now discovered as the neurotrophins. The neurotrophins act on the motor, sympathetic, and sensory organ neurons and regulates the release of a neurotransmitter from NMJ, useful for the treatment of motor neurons. Neuropathy and the diabetic neuropathy, other sub-belongs to a neurotrophins family. The anti-4 or anti-5 alpha leukemia inhibitor factors, anti-4 and anti-5 action act on the sympathetic and sensory and motor neurons. So the neuroglia, that's neuroglia supporting cells of a nervous system and non-excitable and do not transmit the nerve impulse. 10 to 50 times as many glial cells as neurons capable of multiplying by mitosis, and Schwann cells invest the axon, also glial cells. The classification of neuroglial cells is the central neuroglial cell, that's astrocytes, fibrous astrocytes are protoplasmic astrocytes, microglia are oligodendrocytes, peripheral neuroglial cells are Schwann cells and satellite cells. Astrocytes, they are a star shape found throughout the brain, joining to a blood vessels, investing in synaptic structures and neural bodies and neural processes. So two types, there are fibrous astrocytes and protoplasmic astrocytes. The fibrous astrocytes are found mainly in a white matter. Process of cells covers the nerve cells and the synapses. They play the important role in the formation of a blood-brain barrier by sending the process of a nervous, sending a process to a blood vessels of a brain. So the protoplasmic astrocytes present mainly in a gray matter and process of a neuroglia runs in between the nerve cell bodies. So the functions of the protoplasmic astrocytes is from the blood-brain barrier, so regulates the entry of substances from the blood to a brain tissues, to twist around the nerve cells and form supporting the network in a brain and spinal cord, maintain the chemical environment of the extracellular fluid and the central nervous system neurons, provides the calcium and the potassium and regulates the neurotransmitters level in synapses, regulate the recycling and neurotransmitter during the synaptic transmission. So this is the one of the figure which is showing the prokaryotic astrocytes. So the microglia is divided from the monocytes and enters the central nervous system from blood. So the phagocytic cells the migrates to the site of a infection or the injury after called macrophages of a central nervous system. So the smallest neuroglial cells, they functions like engulf and destroy the microorganisms and cells as debris, whereas migrates to an injured and infected area of the central nervous system and act as a mature macrophages. So the oligodendrocytes produce the myelin sheath around the nerve fibers in central nervous system. Now only few processes which are short functions of a oligodendrocytes are to provide the myelination, provide support to the central nervous system neurons by forming a semi-still connective tissue and between neurons. The peripheral neuroglial cells, like Schwann cells, major glial cells in the peripheral nervous system and play the important role in the nerve regeneration. Remove the cellular debris during the regeneration by their phagocytic activity. Satellite cells present on an extensor surface of the peripheral nervous system neurons. Functions of the satellite cells are to provide the physical support to peripheral nervous system neurons and help in the regulation of a chemical environment of a extracellular fluid around the peripheral nervous system neurons. Classification of nerve fibers, that's general features of nerve is greater the diameter of a nerve fibers, greater speed of a conduction, greater magnitude of a spike potential, the smaller duration of a spike, and lesser threatened the excitation. Speed of conduction, the myelinated fibers approximately 6 times fiber diameter, and myelinated fiber diameter ranges from 1 to 20 micrometer, and therefore the conduction velocity varies from 6 to 120 miles per second. Non-myelinated fibers, speed of a conduction proportional to a square root of a diameter, and the largest unmyelinated fiber approximate 1 micrometer in diameter. Therefore, the maximum conduction velocity is 1 meter per second, and proprioceptive pressure and the touch sensation and the somatic motor functions, small axons concerned with the pain and the temperature sensation and the autonomous nervous system. So classification of nerve fibers depending upon the structure, the myelinated nerve fibers and non-myelinated nerve fibers. Depending upon the distribution, somatic nerve fibers supply the skeletal muscles, visceral or autonomic nerve fibers supply to the internal organs. Depending upon the origin, the central nerve, the cranial nerves arising from the brain, the spinal nerves arising from the spinal cord. So depending upon the function, the sensory nerve fibers, afferent nerve fibers, motor nerve fibers, efferent nerve fibers. So depending upon the secretion of neurotransmitters, adrenergic nerve fibers and cholinergic nerve fibers. Depending upon the diameter and conduction of an impulse, like Langer's or Gazer's classification, they classified into 3 major groups. Type A nerve fibers, type B nerve fibers, and type C nerve fibers. So among these, type A thickest fibers, type C thinnest fibers. So except the type C fibers, all fibers are myelinated. So the type A nerve fibers further subdivided 4 groups like A alpha, type 1 nerve fibers, A beta, type 2 nerve fibers, A gamma, type 3 nerve fibers, and A delta type, that is the 4th one, the type 4A. Whereas the fibers type like alpha, their function is to proprioception and somatic motor. So that fiber diameter is 12 to 20 micrometer, and whereas the conduction of a velocity is 70 to 120 meters per second. So the beta fibers having a functions like to feel or to respond to a touch, pressure, and motor. So the 5 to 12 micrometer in the diameter the beta fibers are, and having a 30 to 70 velocity meters per second, whereas the gamma having a motor to a muscle spindles and 3 to 6 micrometer fiber in the diameter, whereas the conduction velocity of the gamma is to 15 to 30 meters per second, whereas the delta having the sensation of a pain, cold, and a touch, and having the 2 to 5 micrometer in a diameter, and having a conduction velocity is to 12 to 30 meters per second. So the beta cells, beta type B type fibers having a preganglionic autonomic reception and the function, and they are lesser than 3 micrometer in diameter and 3 to 15 conduction velocity meters per second, whereas the sympathetic nervous system, the post-ganglionic sympathetic nervous system having a 0.3 to 1.3 fiber diameter, and the conduction velocity is 0.7 to 2.3. So the numerical classification, like a number 1A, that is a muscle spindle annulospiral ending, that is A alpha. The 1B, the Golgi tendon and organ, A alpha. 2 muscle spindle flowers spray ending touch and pressure, A beta. 3 pain and cold receptors and some touch receptors, A gamma, A delta, whereas the 4 pain and temperature and other receptors, they have dorsal roots. As for a physiochemical classification, if we may have to classify the according to a clinical classification, hypoxia is susceptibility. The B type neurons having a more susceptible to a hypoxia, intermediate by A, and least susceptible the C type neurofibers, whereas the pressure is being mostly susceptible by A type neurofibers, whereas the intermediate by pressure is a B type, and the C type is a least responsive to the pressure, whereas the local anesthesia having a C type fibers are more susceptible to a local anesthesia, and B are intermediate, and A are least susceptible to the local anesthesia. So the reflex arc, so what happens when you step on a nail? The reflex arc automatic, the stimuli nail is received by the sensory neurons in the foot. This information travels to the spine where the interneuron is triggered. The interneuron transmits the signal to a brain through the spinal cord and carries the messages back and stimulate the motor neuron to move the foot. The nerve impulse, mostly a progressive wave of electric and a chemical activity along a nerve fiber that stimulates or inhibits the action of a muscle, gland, or other nerve cells, is known as a nerve impulse. This is how the impulse, the information moves from the sensory neurons to interneurons and to motor neurons. So thank you very much. This is the last slide, which is showing you my information that this lecture will be available again on my YouTube and as well as on the my Microsoft team group.